Hello, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about one of the hard problem of LeetCode. Question number is 1369. Get the second most recent activity once. The question says write a solution to show the second most recent activity of each user. Here we have two users, name is Alice and Bob. If the user has only one activity, written that a user cannot perform more than one activity at the same time. I am just explaining the question. Here we have two users. Name is Alice and Bob. Alice has did three activities: travel, dancing and travel. This is basically two. And we have start date and end date for this. What we want in output is that if any users did more than one activity, then we want second most recent activity. So here I have just tried to showcase the output. Here the second most recent activity will be the dancing for Alice, but when it comes to Bob, Bob did only one activity. So this will be the output for the Bob. Hope so you understand the question. So just try to solve this question with me. Here we have user activity table in which we have four columns. Name is username, activity, start date and end date. Just think how can we solve this problem. Here we are going to use Windows function name is rank to order the username on the basis of the start date activity. So we will have preferences. We will use rank over partition by username order by their start date. This column name will be rank underscore. So here we can see that we have rank for Alice 1, 2 and 3 on the basis of the start date, and Bob will get rank 1. So we have solved the half of the question. If we will just filter the data on the basis of rank 2, then we will get data for second recent users. But how can we solve the problem if we have only one user? Just think about that. If we can count the user, like here we have 3 times Alice and 1 time Bob, then we can just solve this problem also. So we are using count username. There is a one small point I want to mention, that is that what is the difference between count the table name and count 1, 2, 3, 4 or count star. Just like this, count table name, count star, count 1. Try to think about this also. Now come to the question. Here we will use over partition by username. So we will get count of each user. What will the output for this statement? Here we will have 3 count for Alice because it has come 3 times and 1 for Bob. Now we have solved question. Only we have to get the output from this query. How can we do this? We can use CTE, common table expression. Select star from CTE. We can solve this problem with the help of temporary table also, but I am solving it with the help of CTE. Now I'll apply a filter for rank 2 and count 1. Rank 2 and we will get any output or not? Just think about that. No. Why? Because we have applied AND condition, but we have to apply OR condition because we want both of the stuff. This is the same output that we want. Hope so you understand this question.